Like a road surrounded by mountains, you can't see it. A city of reinforced concrete, you can't see it. Yet, you often marvel at its speed and ingenuity, but rarely care about it. Actually, it is everywhere, in 80 million cars around the world. It is Sontian Automotive Motor. Maybe you don't know, Sontian brand has been trusted by 80 million users all over the world. You can't see it. Sontian's annual production capacity has reached 6 million units to satisfy more customers. You can't see it. Sontian has built an industry-leading experimental center. All R&D and production management systems are digitalized, ensuring data accuracy and growth rapidly. You can't see it. The company invests 7% of sales yearly in product R&D, and the intelligent control brushless motor high-tech project completed quickly, creating the Sontian speed. Where you can't see, inside of each car with Sontian products, all is served by a large of Sontian engineers. Where you can't see, as an independent auto parts company and automotive motor manufacturer, Sontian relies on advanced technology, leading the development direction of the entire industry, contribute to the transformation of China from a manufacturer of quantity to one of quality, to make Sontian's brand of automotive motor system famous all over the world. You can't see it. Sontian still trying to grow after 30 years, but you can certainly see Sontian's eternal commitment to a lifetime of product responsibility. No matter when, no matter where.